Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel where we explore the world of online marketing and entrepreneurship. Today, I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to make money online using Canva, a powerful graphic design platform. What is Canva? Canva is a free graphic design software that allows you to create professional-looking designs, graphics, and presentations without needing any design experience. It's a game changer for anyone looking to create visual content for their online business. Step 1. Sign up for Canva. Create a free account on canva.com and familiarize yourself with the interface. Step 2. Choose your niche. Decide what type of content you want to create and monetize. This could be anything from social media graphics, blog posts, or even online courses. Step 3. Create your design. Use Canva's templates and design tools to create your visual content. You can start with a blank slate or use one of Canva's many pre-made templates. Step 4. Customize your design. Make your design unique by adding your own text, images, and colors. You can also use Canva's built-in features like text overlays and shape animations. Step 5. Add your branding. Add your logo, color scheme, and typography to make your design consistent with your brand. Step 6. Export your design. Save your design as a high-resolution image or PDF file. Step 7. Sell your designs. Offer your designs on freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also sell them on your own website or social media channels. Step 8. Create digital products. Use Canva to create digital products like printables, planners, or ebooks. You can sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Step 9. Monetize your blog. Use Canva to create high-quality blog posts including infographics, illustrations, and graphics. You can monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Step 10. Create online courses. Use Canva to create visually appealing course materials like slides, handouts, and certificates. You can sell your courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Step 11. Offer social media services. Offer social media management services to small businesses or entrepreneurs. Use Canva to create custom graphics for their social media profiles. Step 12. Create an online community. Use Canva to create visually appealing content for your online community or forum. This can include graphics, illustrations, and other visual elements. Step 13. Sell print-on-demand products. Use Canva to design print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. You can sell them on platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. Step 14. Create affiliate marketing graphics. Use Canva to create high-quality affiliate marketing graphics that promote products or services. You can share them on social media or include them in your blog posts. Step 15. Monetize your YouTube channel. Use Canva to create visually appealing thumbnails for your YouTube videos. You can also use Canva to create end screens and lower thirds for your videos. That's it. With these 15 steps, you can start making money online using Canva. Remember, the key is to be creative and stay consistent. Happy designing? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and guides on online marketing and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching.